So guys, welcome to my another video. So I'll try to explain this project. So this is earthquake prediction. So I made this project for my EDA project, not for the model. So also I'll show you how I make this here, how I make. So in Nepal, the most of the time the like longitude and latitude locations are between 28, 28 and the longitude is in the range of 83 to 84. So 84.53, sorry, first of all 82 altitude and 84.45. So after this it will make a prediction about the how strong the earthquake going to happen in that specific place, and what is the time, like what time specifically the high chance the earthquake will gonna happen in the time. So let me refresh this once again. So here you go, we input the 28.84 and 84.45. This is my prediction. This is the prediction made by my model. This is I try to train my model. So it is not perfect. First of all, earthquake is a natural disaster, so we can't actually measure, like we can't predict how it's gonna happen. There needs to be a lot of data, more data. Like you can't even imagine. Like I don't have that greater idea, better idea about how. So first of all, let's go to the main point. First of all, let me show you where did I get this information. So I want to make a prediction and predictions for my country, Nepal. So in our country we have the website, government website, where they upload the recent earthquake happened in Nepal, all over Nepal. So I got this data. So so you can go and get the data from here. You can get you can even scrap if you want data. So you go here and you can check here to data, like you can fill this form and send them and you will get the data. Also I did not do that, so I don't have any time for that. So this is illegal to go to the other website and scrap the data, sorry for that, but I did that. And yeah, I don't know about the web scraping, but I do slight, I know a little bit, and with the help of ChatGPT, I easily fill the data from that website. Here you can see. So let me show you how my data will look like. So here you have the you have data column, time, latitude, longitude, and magnitude, and epicenter. So this is the place, like which place the earthquake happened, and the magnitude, what is the range of, like what at what magnitude the earthquake happened. You know the how if you don't know about the magnitude, it is the measurement for measuring the earthquake. Longitude, latitude, you obviously know that. So there is a time, and this is a local time. So in Nepal, this local time the earthquake happened. And UTC, if you are from international, so you will see this. We need you need to 0.05 45 for Nepal, I think the UTC is for. So you will see here there is a PS, Bikram Sammat or date, and AD. So we can also do, like we can get separate this, and local and UTC also we can separate this column and make them from 2 to 4. So we can also need here, like we need to remove the star from here, and looking all good, but there is still a lot of problem here and there. I basically stay here and watch carefully once at a time, and I found there is a slight mistake somewhere in between, like this, and we will see a lot of problem. So we need to remove them. If you need that, you need to, like do the minimum or do the same, like in the range of thing. I just need to understand this all of the data. So I don't have the previous knowledge about this. And so how I clean this, let me tell you. Here is my code. Here, first of all, I just imported the data here. Then I take a look at the column here, and I get the information. So I see all the things here good, but here the latitude look object here. So it is because there is a null value. I think when I see the like see watch carefully to the data there, I found that there is a latitude missing in here, and there is like in the string form. The data was in the string form, so that can be the problem here. But the magnitude and longitude is all okay, so I get the save here, and I found that there is a 1317 row. So this is because of this empty line. Then what I did is try to take a look whether is any missing value. So there is 60, as we know that these missing values in total they are 60. So I remove all of them and take a look once again because I don't trust. so so there is all that are there is no empty cell here. Then I look at the shape has decreased from 1317 to 1257. So this is nice. And I checked, is there any duplicate row? Yes, there is 5 duplicate rows, so I just directly remove them. So I did not do the cleaning process in professional way, but I am just learning. So and then I check, is there any duplicate row, get all the duplicate row in my duplicate row column. Then I need to see the which index the data are duplicated. So I printed all the index and try to check. And so as you can see here, there is 5 same, it is 15 time latitude, and also longitude and magnitude all are same. So what I did is giving the first one and removing the same second one here with this line, and then I check this once again. So the data decreased to 1252 from uh where it is 1257. So we just remove 5 row. As you can see, we get this information right here, but I want to see which row is duplicated, has a duplicate. So here, and then I check, is there any null? No, we do not need to do this much. So I have a trust issue in myself and even this program. So then I manually check. I already told you that there is a problem in 1243. So 1243 there is 2803. Let me show you here. Okay, uh with line 12 latitude, right? Latitude, yeah, here. Oh sorry, this is not here, right here. So I send this dates in my by manually by watching there, and same like that there is also a lot of problem. So I manually find that out. You can say it's a lock. So I get that latitude. So after that I just check, is there any null value? So there is none, and then I check that once again, but I found that there the latitude is not change. I don't know why. Here latitude is still not change. So we need, in this epic center there is a star form, so we need to remove this. I dot this from this code offline. Then you can see the clean shaped epic center point. Then I check the head, so I found that we need to separate this because we can't do this, so we need separate data for different purposes. So I just separated all of them. From right here I need to change them in the data date time frame, but I did not do that. That's my mistake. Okay, then I just took a look here. So no, after that I did check, is there any null? No. So I checked duplicate, so I didn't need all the missing values so many times. And check duplicate. Yeah, there is a duplicate right here. As you can see, the data are a lot similar. Not little but completely similar. As you can see here, 230 and 232 index, they are both same. Then uh, and drop the duplicate one. Then I check once again. After dropping duplicate, why did I do this? I don't know. I'm such a dumb guy here. So after all of this rambling, then I change this data into date and time, sorting by ADUTC, because I am going to use this data, so I just need to my data need to be arranged in the good form. So after that, all of these things, I just exported my earthquake CSV. So here you see that why did I do this, like earthquake Nepal CSV and earthquake data. So when I make the file, like the first one, I just make a first clean and completely like useful data for me. But I forget to save the process. But thank God I just saved the uh, CSV file. So here you see I got the CSV data file. This is the complete one. So this is like all of the similar, but there is still some problem. I did not find it, because how did I find this? I just ran my model and find that the difference between them are quite not that high, but there is 20-30% differences, yeah, between this data. So what I did is, in EDA, I imported the data and see, as you can see, all the things are good, but the data are, we need to change them because we need to process. While processing, we need them to in date and time data frame. So duplicate, no. So all of this frequency check, I just check the highest which place the highest earthquake happened. The first is Dolaka Sindhu. Then you can see the chart here. These are a lot, like even I think this is somewhere around 10. So it is like 200 times more. I mean 20 times more the earthquake happened in the Dolaka than Rolpa. If you need to compare them, like explain. Then I see the percentage is, as you can see, there is a 16.3 percentage, and they are the small. Even I can't see. So I check head, so to see the type, how many time I need to check this. Hell no, shit. So what I did is, here I just range the earthquake level, like